Well, I'd like to take just a couple of minutes to explain some things that are in the works and what you can expect, what you're going to see here coming out on these channels that I have for content, both on YouTube and on Facebook, for the Farm Food and Health page, and another thing that I'll be announcing here shortly. But anyways, I want to go ahead and let you know that I'm going to put some audio. They're called audiograms if you're not familiar with them. They're actually videos. Technically, they're made into videos, and it's just an audio message. Lots of times it's something short like this that's just to demonstrate something or to get a quick message out. It can, they can be up to 30 minutes long or longer, but there's a point of practicality there that one needs to consider that's producing content such as I'm doing. But anyways, I think an audiogram is a pretty good little place to get a quick message out. Now, an audiogram is not a podcast. So with an audiogram, there can be video, there can be pictures moving, or it might even have text in it or something. It just depends. I've been working on some 5-minute ones, and they're just quick commentaries on food and nutrition and farming. I've done some in the past. You may have seen. I posted them online on regenerative agriculture, just a couple. And I'm going to do a bunch more of that kind of stuff too, and on ecological farming. And these are audiograms and little videos, and they're going to be a lot of audio content, like in the sense that they're commentary. And I may play some clips from some talks that I've recorded that other people have given, or I actually recorded them and I have the rights to distribute those recordings. And, maybe make commentary on some of those things and how some of that has inspired some of this work and some of the things that I'm doing and that many of you actually are, I'm sure, very much into. Stay tuned for those things on various topics relating to farming and food and health in general that I'm going to start some conversation on. So I really appreciate you taking some time to check these things out. And at any time, if anybody's got questions and wants to talk about some things more, hit me up. Let me know.